Do you have unruly flyaways that drive you crazy and you'd like to tame? Hi, I'm Paula, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use hair mascara to tame those unruly flyaways without having to use any hairspray, which is awesome. The Lilla Rose hair mascara can be used for a variety of things. You can cover grays, you can highlight, you can low light, you can cover roots. But another great thing about hair mascara that many people may not know is that you can use it to tame flyaways. It is super easy to tame flyaways. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that today. You grab your handy dandy hair mascara. I love the hair mascara by Lilla Rose, and it comes with this wand, and this wand is just like eye mascara, but it's for your hair. It's specially formulated for your hair. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this for your flyaways. Okay, so I see over here, and you also see, you might have gray coming in that you want to cover as well, so it would do double duty. It would cover your grays as well as tame flyaways. Okay, now I have a few flyaways right at the top of my head. Sometimes people have flyaways at their parts. Okay, so all you have to do is just brush it down, right? Just brush down those flyaways and it tames them really nicely. Okay, gone. All right, I'm also going to show you on the sides. The sides are also where people may have flyaways. Okay, so you just take your hair mascara wand and you just brush back those unruly flyaways. See how it's really nice and tame now. They don't bother you. Okay, now if I want, depends how much you want to keep down, or, this isn't really a flyaway, but you can tame that down as well if you want like a sleek, smooth look. And voila, you can tame back as much as you want that you don't want there. Okay, and I see some of the back. I can just brush that back. It's out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to tame the flyaways on the other side. Again, you just, whatever you don't want sticking out, you just simply brush back with the hair mascara wand. Well, that was easy. If you see any grays or anything you would like to get rid of as well, like a little bit there at the temples, that will do it. Okay. And get rid of those back there. So now it gives you that nice, sleek, classy look. Look at that. That's a big difference. So if you would like your French twist, your hair up with no messy flyaways, this is perfect. All right, there you go. Now the style is up to you. You may just be wanting to smooth down those few little flyaways, or you may want to maybe pull back like big bangs you're growing out. Maybe you want to get rid of those. You can, that's up to you what you're planning to do with your hair. So let's just try getting rid of those bangs if they're growing out, and let's see what happens. So again, you just brush on the hair mascara. Okay. Or you just may want to pull some back. Another great way to pull your bangs while they're growing out is to use like a cute little mini flexi clip from Lilla Rose. Those are great for pulling back your bangs, or a cute super strong bobby pin from Lilla Rose. Those are amazing. They don't slip out of even fine hair. All right. So there, if you didn't want those bangs, if you wanted that chic all pulled back look, there you go with just a few strokes of that hair mascara. All right, enjoy. Now brushing it on with the hair mascara wand may be all you need, but if you feel like it needs blended in a little bit, you just take a comb and blend it in. If there's anything loose, you just tuck it in. And there you go. It's just clean and classy looking with no flyaways. I hope this helps. Be sure to watch my other videos on how to use the hair mascara to cover grays or add highlights or lowlights. And I will see you next time. All right, bye.